Hey guys, it's Bats here. I wanted to thank you for clicking on the video today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And then we can bring you more quality content, tips and tricks that'll help you get to Shark Reef here a lot faster. So we are back. Harley, say hi.
Hi.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the check-in. Got my sandwich right here, the card sandwich, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we're gonna do. All right, we got to keep walking before we start bragging about this. Did you hear what she said about the suite?
What?
Did you okay? So I'm gonna show you what we were booked in,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna show you what we actually got.
Into?
Like you guys have no idea.
She said it was something special.
Yes, it was. It was definitely that. The $20 trick always works. I'm 100% undefeated. Oh, pardon us, ma'am. Thank you. 100% undefeated for the year. Ace of Vegas, the Batman all day.
The Bat.
She was even talking about how prepped I was. She was like, "You were the most prepared customer I've seen all day."
Yeah, she did give you that big old compliment. She was so impressed with that.
Right?
It's like she's never had it before or something.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we actually booked. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen right now. Let me go ahead and show HQ real quick. She's not gonna believe it. Hang on. Alright guys, so that was the suite that we got initially, so the one bedroom, but we got a little upgrade there actually. So you guys are gonna see. You guys are gonna see how awesome it actually is. You're gonna go to room 621. Alright.
Ew, I hope that's not a used piece of tissue.
I hope not.
I'm pretty gross.
Let's see, 620. Oh, 621, this is us.
The one with the used paper.
Oh no, this one over here. Those are stairs. 621 right here. So let's go ahead and see. All right, guys.
Here we go.
Ace of Vegas all day. HQ, you ready?
Yes.
And oh snap.
Oh.
Okay. Oh.
Holy shit.
Look at that.
Wow.
So you got the telly in here.
I got to fucking charge my phone and put this up on Snapchat.
Oh shit.
I gotta charge my phone.
And snap, we got the.
Oh my goodness. I'm so mad my phone died right now.
Just right now?
Just right now, I wanna know why.
Oh, look at this. Hold on, we're gonna start from fresh mates. Look at this. Okay. So we have a full living area over here, plenty of space to entertain. We're actually gonna have to make some friends for once.
Yes, we do. Can I make some stoner friends?
Yeah. It's kind of half the point. And they have a full living area, and this is actually this is a pull-out bed. So it's a pull-out. Let's see, and we have floor-to-ceiling mirrors here or windows here. You got the sit down, and you got the whole telly mounted and everything, and that was Harley again. And there's the whole bathroom, guys. Let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom suite over here. Son of a.
Oh my god, where the fuck is this light? Because this is beautiful over here.
Man, look at this closet. Okay, full-size closet with the lights on. The telly's over here at the bench. Nice. You know the sound mixer doesn't catch. Oh wow. Jacuzzi tub. Oh, and it's got a full water closet.
Yes!
All right.
So then I can take a shit.
Whoa. Hold up.
Is that a TV in here?
There's a telly in the bathroom.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, look, what are these?
Shampoo, something like that. Oh, and you even got unnecessary
Wow,
things.
that actually smells pretty decent.
Yeah.
There's
Damn.
some so good. Oh
Dude. And once again, the $20 trick for any of you skeptics. 2 wins. 2 wins. Actually, 3 wins for the year.
It's not because you're black.
Oh, maybe. Maybe she's just into that. Maybe the front desk lady was just into that. I don't know.
Maybe she thought you were sexy.
Hey, you know what? I'm going to take the compliment.
There you go, see?
There we go. Oh, and we got the room safe too. Lovely. All right, guys. Well, that's just about it. So remember, are you stuck over there? All right, guys. So always remember, tip your concierge, tip your check-in clerk, and they will take good care of you.